For 2.5 million years, the Earth's climate has fluctuated, cycling from ice ages to warmer periods. But in the last century, the planet's temperature has risen unusually fast, about 1.2 to 1.4 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe it's human activity that's driving the temperatures up, a process known as global warming. Ever since the Industrial Revolution began, factories, power plants, and eventually cars have burned fossil fuels such as oil and coal, releasing huge amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. These greenhouse gases trap heat near the Earth through a naturally occurring process called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect begins with the sun and the energy it radiates to the Earth. The Earth and the atmosphere absorb some of this energy, while the rest is radiated back into space. Naturally occurring gases in the atmosphere trap some of this energy and reflect it back, warming the Earth. Scientists now believe that the greenhouse effect is being intensified by the extra greenhouse gases that humans have released. Evidence for global warming includes a recent string of very warm years. Scientists report that 1998 was the warmest year in measured history, with 2005 coming in second. Meanwhile, readings taken from ice cores show that the greenhouse gases carbon dioxide and methane have hit their highest levels in the past 420,000 years. Arctic sea ice is also shrinking. According to NASA studies, the extent of Arctic sea ice has declined about 10% in the last 30 years. As long as industrialized nations consume energy, and developing countries increase their fossil fuel consumption, the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere will continue to rise. Researchers predict that temperatures will increase about 2 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the end of the century. What's less certain is what rising temperatures mean for the planet. Some climate models predict subtle changes. Others forecast rising sea levels which could flood coastal areas around the world. Weather patterns could change, making hurricanes more frequent. Severe droughts could become more common in warm areas, and species unable to adapt to the changing conditions would face extinction. Although much remains to be learned about global warming, many organizations advocate cutting greenhouse gas emissions to reduce the impact of global warming. Consumers can help by saving energy around the house, switching to compact fluorescent light bulbs, and driving fewer miles in the car each week. These simple changes may help keep the Earth cooler in the future.
The cause of global warming. There are currently 4 dominant beliefs about the cause of global warming. Increased carbon dioxide. Most scientists believe that the cause of global warming is due to an increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The levels of carbon dioxide has increased from 280 parts per million to 379 parts per million over the last 100 years. This increase in carbon dioxide strongly correlates with the increase of global surface temperatures. Increases in carbon dioxide are mostly due to the burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas. The problem with burning fossil fuels is that the process releases carbon dioxide was previously stored underground. Deforestation is also blamed. Fewer forests means less carbon dioxide is soaked up from the atmosphere. Natural fluctuations. Some believe global warming is simply a short-term trend caused by the natural rhythms of the planet or our sun. Many of the scientists do not believe that greenhouse gases can have such a large impact on the global surface temperature. Greenhouse effect. Earth's greenhouse gas is made up of several components. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, and ozone are dominant, stabilizing greenhouse gases. Levels of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide have increased substantially over the last century. Carbon dioxide is the most important of these three, and it is higher than it has ever been over the last 650,000 years. More carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leads to an increase in temperature. Everybody agrees with this. starting with easy and inexpensive, and ending with harder and more expensive. Just start from the top and work your way down. Recycle. The average household will save almost 110 kilograms, or 2,400 pounds of carbon dioxide emission a year just by recycling half of household waste. Use one compact fluorescent bulb. Replace only a single regular light bulb with a compact fluorescent bulb to save about 68 kilograms, or 150 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions a year. Use a low-flow shower head. Low-flow shower heads can save about 160 kilograms, or 350 pounds of carbon dioxide emission per year. Plant a tree. A tree can reduce almost 915 kilograms, or a ton, for its lifetime. Maintain your car. By keeping your tires properly inflated and your air filter clean, you can save anywhere between 110 kilograms, or 250 pounds, to 475 kilograms, or 1,050 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions each and every year. Drive less. Walk, bike, carpool, use public transport. Driving creates about 0.45 kilograms, or a pound of carbon dioxide. Wash in warm or cold water. Decrease carbon dioxide emissions yearly by 225 kilograms, or 500 pounds just by not washing in hot water. And last, drive a hybrid. Driving a hybrid car will reduce your yearly carbon dioxide emissions by over a whopping 7,000 kilograms, or 1,600 pounds.
Our Earth is in a state of crisis, and we are the cause. We pollute the air. We fill the land with waste. Lethal fuel emissions from our vehicles. And what are the consequences? Our glaciers are melting. Our cities are flooding. The climate is changing. Our lakes are drying up. Our ocean's temperatures are rising. Hurricanes are intensifying. Rainfall is increasing. Record-setting heat temperatures are at a dangerous high. Global warming is upsetting the balance of nature. Many species are facing the threat of extinction. If we continue to live this way, more catastrophic events will occur. Our glaciers are melting fast, and when they're gone, so will many of our coastal cities, as they will be underwater as the world's ocean levels will increase. So what are we going to do about this? We need to make a change, and quickly. Always remember to recycle and reuse. Consider alternative energy methods. Save power and conserve your household energy. Reduce your litter. Reusable bags save thousands of plastic bags from ending up in landfills per year. Use more environmentally friendly cleaning products around your home. Use low or zero emission vehicles to get you where you need to go. Consider using public transportation more often, or try carpooling. Remember, we only have one planet, and it's depending on you to make a difference. Show this video to as many people as you can to get the message.
I'm a bad person, you don't like me. Well, I guess I'll make my own way. It's a circle, I mean cycle. I can't excite you anymore. Where's your gavel, your jury? What's my offense this time? You're not a judge, but if you're gonna judge me, well, sentence me to another life. Don't wanna hear your sad songs, I don't wanna feel your pain. But it's always not my fault, 'cause you know we're not the same. We're not the same. Oh, we're not the same. Yeah, I got friends and stuff together. We wrote our names in blood. But I guess you can't accept that the change is good. It's good. It's good. Will you treat me just like another stranger? Well, it's nice to meet you, so I guess I'll go. I best be on my way out. You treat me just like another stranger. Well, it's nice to meet you, so I guess I'll go. I best be on my way out. Ignorance is your new best friend. Ignorance is your new best